Welcome students to the second part of video of theory of machines. In the last topic we had done mechanism. When one of the links in a kinematic chain is fixed, it is called mechanism. Generally mechanism has four links, and when one of the links is fixed, it is called mechanism. Mechanisms are of two types: simple mechanism and compound mechanism. When number of links are equal to 4, number of pairs are equal to 4, then it is called simple mechanism. And when number of links are more than 4 or number of pairs are more than 4, then it is called compound mechanism. So there are two types of mechanisms: simple mechanism and compound mechanism. Next is inversion of mechanisms. Before we go to inversion of mechanisms, types of mechanism. In simple mechanism, there are three types of simple mechanism. One is 4-bar chain, second is single slider, crank chain, and third is double slider, crank chain. What is 4-bar? What is single slider crank chain? What is double slider crank chain? Let's start with the 4-bar chain. 4-bar chain is what? In which there are number of links is equal to 4 and 4 turning pairs. That is 4-bar. One of them is fixed. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 links, and one of the links is fixed. There are there are 4 links. That 2 links which are adjacent to the fixed link are called input output and output links, and the link between these two are called coupler. So the inversion means fixing another link from this link. Inversion may be possible with the input and output. Maybe this may be output, this may be input. now depend upon the motion of, if this link rotates completely, then it is called crank, and if this also rotates completely, it is also called crank. This is called double crank mechanism. And if one of the links does not rotate completely, it oscillates up to a position, then it is called rocker. It is called rocker crank or crank rocker mechanism. Alternatively, these can change each other's position in different mechanisms. So it may be called rocker crank or crank rocker mechanism. And if both this input and output links oscillate and does not have complete rotation, then it is called rocker means double rocker mechanism. So in 4-bar chain there are basically 3 types of mechanisms. First is double crank, second is crank rocker or rocker crank, and third is double rocker or rocker mechanism. Now let's see the examples of these 3 mechanisms. First is double crank mechanism. Double crank mechanism, the example is locomotive engine. In which there are 2 smaller links and 2 larger links. Smaller links equal to each other and larger links also equal to each other. Smaller links work as crank of locomotive